I read books like self-development books and everything. I do everything like which is required, like meditate.
Okay.
So I'm doing that every day. So what
Okay.
happens with me is like one day I do it very perfectly, feeling good. I'm like I'm feeling fulfilled. The next day it's like I started good, but at the end of but in the middle of the like by 12 or by 1, I have worked for 1 hour, like focusedly I worked for 1 and 2 hours. But
Okay.
then I'm facing it. I take a break and then it's like all messed up.
So
Yes,
the issue that you have right now is the issue for majority of the people. I'll tell you two
yes,
examples. Okay, just think there is a girl who is 100 kg who's trying to reduce her weight to 70 kg, and just think who's a girl who is 50 kg who's trying to reduce her weight to 45 kg. Okay, so both of them we are giving them the routine of waking up early, working out early, having a diet every day, right? So these three routines that we have given to these two people. Okay,
okay.
who will do it in the best possible way?
The person who is 100 kg weight.
100 kg, because the 100 kg weight, the girl who has 100 kg weight, every day she's suffering herself of having overweight.
Yeah,
Understand? So she is having the necessity of reducing the weight than the person who is 50 kg.
yeah,
Understand? So what is the secret here? So both of them are doing the same thing, and the person who is 50 kg, it will be easy for her to reduce the weight because she has more energy. She doesn't need to diet that much the 100 kg does.
yeah.
She can reduce it very easily, very, she has more time to reduce, and it
Mhm.
is not her necessity. Understand? So what you can
Yeah,
understand from it, it is the necessity.
okay.
You have to fake the necessity. Maybe, as I already told you yesterday, India is very much cheap.
Yeah, I remember. I was
India
thinking
is
about that only.
India is very much cheap, and you can afford everything in India at very affordable price, other than cars and real estate. But even if you don't have money, it is fine in India. You can, even if you have 100 rupees, you can adjust with some rice and some curry and you can have it, or your parents will provide you that. Even if
Yeah,
they're not having any income, even if they have some money, you will get food and accommodation,
yeah,
because here you don't have any necessity. Got it? And when you buy a car, okay, when you are sitting in the Maruti car, what your society or what other people has told you is to adjust having a car, because other people doesn't even having a car. You will convince yourself that sitting in a Maruti car is more comfortable than sitting in a Audi car. So you will try to
yeah,
adjust yourself. So this adjustment mentality is there always. So this is all in your subconscious mind. Okay, this is all in your subconscious mind. You are actually
okay.
adjusting your life. You don't want it. You want it, but you don't want it. You're okay to adjust. That is the reason you lack motivation in yourself. You are doing it for one day, and second day it might not be a necessity for you. You are inside yourself, you are trying to adjust everything in your life. If that was a necessity, you would have done it every day continuously. The 100 kg girl also won't do it every single day because she is lazy. She think that, okay, being in 100 kg is also fine. I won't gain weight again. Okay, let me reduce it after 1 year. Or she will follow the diet which is suitable for her. Maybe somebody would have told her to have chicken every day, mutton every day, and reduce the weight. She will find the easiest way.
Yeah,
Usually when I go to gym, there are dance classes. Okay, I was able to see hundreds of girls who are coming for dance classes, and they were having 30 to 45 minutes of dance classes. They are already chosen dance because they are trying to choose an easier way.
easier
Because
way.
going to the gym and working out in the treadmill and lifting some weight is difficult.
Lifting weight is difficult. Yeah,
Understand? So they think that doing dance is an entertainment way. They are getting more sweat than they actually used to do in the gym. Got it? So they think this is
yeah,
easy. But the issue is what? For the dance classes, there are speculated time. They have to go at that time. If they are not available at that time, they cannot go. But the gym is not like that. At any point of time, you can go gym and work out and you won't miss your workout. That dance classes, they
yeah,
miss a lot. They go for easy way. So
yeah,
you have to live like you are going to die today. What if this is your last Friday? Or what if this is your last Saturday? Just work like your life is going to end tomorrow. Okay. And keep going,
got
because
it, sir.
every day matters. Every day matters. When you lack motivation, you see how much urge that you have to make that urge for getting there will reach you there. And most of the, why only 1% are rich? You think 99% of people doesn't want to be rich? Being in the 1% is very difficult. Always understand that when you do something which is normal people doing, you will always be in the 99%. Whenever you do something else than the normal people does, you will be in the 1%. But that journey is difficult.